Happy Wednesday. Welcome to Erica LOL Beauty and Reviews. I am Erica. Welcome to my channel. And we're going to open this month's Boxycharm. I did already open it because I was wondering if I had ordered something because it was such a small box. I haven't looked. Everything, I just saw the thing when I opened it up. Let me show you. When I saw that, I knew this was the regular box. So, we're going to go ahead and open it. I pay $25 a month with tax. I believe it's $27 for this box. You get other benefits like the add-ons. There's add-on store, and then there's a Boxy pop-up store, and they have really good prices for some brands that you would love to buy, but you know, you're like, oh my gosh, that's too much. But they got it for really good prices. So, this is the Boxycharm. It says Fantasy. Get it? Fantasy, like the water. Alright, and then we got our little calculator, so we'll be adding all this up. Alright, now we got this. The first thing I'm going to grab is the Mud Masky Vitamin Infused Eye Serum. Moisture Boost, Vitamin Boost, Feeding, Nourishing, Firming. Looks like this. It got a, yes, and it's sealed. So we're going to leave it sealed. I don't want to break a seal on skincare until I'm ready to use it. So, alright, this is Vitamin Infused Eye Serum. Delicate skin around the eyes is 10 times thinner than the skin on the rest of the face, making it the first place to exhibit signs of premature aging, such as dark circles, fine lines. This eye serum contains a blend of all natural vitamin C and superfood ingredients essential to firming the skin. With refreshing and powerful antioxidant effect, the serum is ideal for all skin types. So, and it says it's $63. Wow. Okay. The next thing we have in here is Bella Pierre Liquid Eyeliner in black. Which, I mean, that's self-explanatory. Thin strokes, tapered tip, perfect for, okay, so it's one of these kind. Thin strokes, bold lines, long-lasting formula, dries quickly to beautiful matte finish, $20. That'll be going in a giveaway. Okay. And then we have Alley-Oop Pen Pal 4-in-1 Pen Pal 4-in-1 makeup pen. Oh, this is like one of those, like, look, there's a pink, and then there's a like, how do you get to go back up? Oh, you just push one down. Okay. Okay. For when you need a quick look or touch up on the go, don't want to carry your whole makeup bag with you, Pen Pal is convenience of 4 essential products in one easy to stash click pen. Just click down the color and apply a fresh, natural look wherever you are. Okay, I'm not 100% sure of this. Eyeliner. It has an eyeliner, a highlighter, a lip pencil, and a brow, and coffee brown. So, we may try this one day. I'm not sure. I don't want to use it right now in case I decide to just put it in a giveaway. So, that is $25. It's interesting. Maybe I should try it out one day, just because it's interesting on the, you know. The next one is Mellow Cosmetics Brighten and Bronze Complex Trio. Add dimension, warmth, and luminosity to your skin with this complexion trio, which includes sculpting powders designed to bronze and brighten your look. Designed with a skin tone and skin care in mind, they are talc-free and formulated with hyaluronic acid for hydrated and buttery smooth finish. Vegan and cruelty-free. $25. Okay, so we're gonna open it. The colors are I'm Woke, Solterra, and Always Summer. And here's Eric. All right, go. He needed his diaper put back on. These are some good colors. I think that I'm Woke is like a yellow color. Yeah, it's like a banana. And then this one, Solterra, is a light bronze. And that one's like a little darker. So it's like all year, summer, not summer. It sounds realistic. Okay, I like that. I like Alamar Cosmetics, everything I've had so far. And the last thing in here is YesStyle Co. Detox Hair serum. Looks like this in the box. And we're going to take it out. It's like a little, it's kind of cute. It's a cute bottle. Nourish and balance the scalp and hair with hydrating elixir. Made from nutrient-dense plant oils such as argan and almond oils, and this plant-based formula stimulates and soothes dry and itchy scalp, promotes healthy growth, and leaves the hair shiny and soft. Alright, it looks like this. I'm not going to open this part because I'm not sure if I'm going to use this, and I would rather keep it nice and safe in this box in case I give it away. It's $79. So the value of this box with everything in it was $212. So you minus the $27 I paid for it, that's $185 of value over what I paid. So if you have an extra $25 a month that you notice that you're having and you want to sign up, you could cancel anytime and then restart it again. Like, oh gosh, I can't do it this month. Just make sure you do it before the end of the month. As long as you have the money in there on the 1st is when they take it out for me. As long as you have it in there, I put it in there in Jason's account so that I'm paying for it with my money. Then to me, $27 for $212 worth of stuff is a good deal. Now for me, I could give away some of the stuff, but there's also for some of you that don't have like giveaways you can put the stuff in. There is Boxycharm buy and sell and trade stuff on Facebook. They're groups, so you could join those groups, and maybe you got some items in yours you didn't like, but you wanted to trade it with someone else. So you could go ahead and do that on there, pay the shipping to send it to someone else, or find someone in your area that gets Boxycharm that maybe don't like some of the stuff they got, or sell it on Poshmark. You bought it. So yeah, anyways, I hope you all have a beautiful Wednesday, and I will hopefully see you Friday. I'm not pre-recording Friday's video because Friday's video is going to go back to doing Chit Chat Fridays. So I hope to see y'all all there. Put an emoji on how your summer's going for an extra entry into the giveaways for the July giveaway. Anyways, love y'all. Have a great day.